All right, YouTube, Eagle Point Mobile Auto Detailing Service. We got this 2019-2020 body Tahoe, 3 rows, basic inside out. We finna get started on it. We got the camera on the driver's side. Floorboard, we finna get started, guys. Got this. Got the back. We on the second row of the back. We're finna go to the third row as well, but it's just a basic vacuum. No carpet clean, upholstery shampoo, no leather seat cleaning and conditioning. This your basic vacuum and wash. 3 rolls, $95. Everybody don't have the extra money, or they may have the extra money, they still don't want a carpet clean, so they don't have to get an upholstery to get a job done. We got different levels of pricing, different options of cleaning. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Like McDonald's, if you want fries, you order just fries. You don't have to get a hamburger and drink with it. Third row, getting it done, baby. Get it done down here in Birmingham, Alabama. We'll come to a city, we'll come to your city if we need to. gone. Got the interior wipe down coming. So we clean the door jam. That's dirty. They're gonna go with the outside wash. We got to clean, gonna clean the cup holders, wipe the dash and the interior down. No carpet cleaning, no seat cleaning and conditioning. Your basic vacuum and wash.